Welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation LTEC. Hi, hello, how are you? This is Gulam Sarwar Shuman. You are watching me right now on my YouTube video. And today with us, he is Mr. Alamin Hussain, right? And he is from Khulna.
Right.
Yesterday, the previous video, we had discussed about very important topic about the geographical biography about Khulna. But today we will discuss about panic people, especially the politician, the poet, the writer, the cricketer, the essayist, many more important and famous people on Khulna. So, how are you, Mr. Alamin Hussain?
I am pretty well by the grace of Almighty Creator Allah. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I'm really, really fine and well. So today we are discussing about the famous people of Khulna, right?
Right.
So Khulna district is a big district and it's a famous district already because there are a lot of people has become have become famous from Khulna, and I think you are also a famous person from Khulna without any doubt. Okay, so can we start our conversation? So please continue your conversation about the famous person about Khulna. So who were the famous person and nowadays who are the famous person from Khulna? Can you explain about your Khulna?
First of all, I'd like to thanks for giving me chance to say something. Well, there are a lot of poet, educator, chemist, prominent writer, former historian, water scientist, cricketer, footballer, actor, actress, politician, singer in Khulna district.
Right.
For instance, now I am going to share with you about Sir Narayan Chandra Chandu MP. Do
Yeah.
you know who has gone from school teacher to cabinet minister? Do you know?
Can you explain please about himself? It will be better for the audience and also
Okay,
for me.
okay. Actually, Sir Narayan Chandra Chandu, who has gone from school teacher to cabinet minister, and he was born in 1945 in the village of Pula at Dumoria in Khulna district. His father's name was Kalipada Chandu and his mother's name was Renukabala Chandu. He started his education in the school of Pula village. He completed up to 8th class from Banda Secondary School and he had achieved SSC level from Dumuria NGC NCK Secondary School in 1961. Then he had completed SSC level from Daulatpur Government BL College in 1963. After that, he had achieved honors level from Rajshahi University Department of Political Science in 1966, as well as master's degree in the same department in 1967. Actually, he started his career as headmaster of Nokati Secondary School. The first students in this school got opportunity to take SSC examination. Then he was also headmaster of Dumuria NGC and CK Secondary School in 1973. Actually, I'd like to explain her political life. When he completed her education, he joined the politics of Awami League in 1967. Then, in the first of election held in Bangladesh, he was elected as a chairman of Bhandarpada Union Parishad of Dumuria Upazila. He was elected chairman 6 times. I think it is most important his political life. Then
So why
that
he is
day,
famous
that
for? What is the reason by which he has become the famous for?
because he has gone from school teacher to cabinet minister, and the after the death health minister Salahuddin Yusuf, he elected member of parliament of Dumuria Fultola by election held on 20 December in 2000. Then
Yeah.
he was re-elected member of parliament in the 9th parliamentary election 2008. he was elected member of parliament in the 10th parliamentary election 2014. Then he was re-elected member of parliament in the parliamentary election 2019. Then after that, in fact, finally, Sir Narayan Chandra Chando was sworn in as the state minister, Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock. Sir Narayan Chandra Chando was sworn in as the state minister, Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock in 12 January in 2014. Then the dead Fisheries and Livestock Minister Mohammad Saidul Haq on 2 January in 2018. Sir Narayan Chandra was shown in as the same department of full minister. That's it. Actually, Khulna district has many cricketers such as
So can
Abdul
we
Razzaq.
inform about the cricketers of Khulna? Who was the cricketer has come? I have heard that there are a lot of cricketers, and namely the first name is Abdul Razzaq, the ex former cricketer of Bangladesh, as a spinner, as an all-rounder. So I like him better because Abdul Razzaq he had come one day in the invitation of our wedding of my cousins. And from that time, he is one of my famous and favorite cricketer. And also, he is famous for the Bangladesh cricket history. So, can you say something about Abdul Razzaq? Where from he is?
Okay, thank you. Actually, Abdul Razzaq played in IPL 2008, bought by Royal Challengers Bangalore, and as a bowler, in 2011 he was ranked third, and Sakib Al Hasan was ranked sixth. I think that time Abdul Razzaq was best than Sakib Al Hasan as a bowler.
Yeah.
Abdul Razzaq, scored a hat-trick against Zimbabwe in 2010 in ODI international cricket.
So
And
can we be informed about his Upojela or about his birth or living place in Khulna?
actually, he was born in Khulna district city, Khulna city.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Uh,
So, Kavi Krishnachandra Majumdar, the poet Krishnachandra Majumdar is one of the famous poets in Bangladesh.
Krishna,
So
wow.
so
Oh,
can we
of
can
course.
we know about himself? I have heard that he is from Khulna district.
Yeah. Poet Krishna Chandra Majumdar, he was not only poet but also educator.
Yeah.
He wrote an autobiography called Historian Ram, and another book is Mohobuk. He was born Digoli Upazila in Khulna district.
Right.
After that,
Cricketer Romana
Prafulla
is
Chandra,
also cricketer Romana is also
yeah,
from
yeah.
Khulna district, right? So
Right.
and the heroine Mousumi, one of the evergreen heroine of Bangladesh, is from Khulna district. So can we be informed something where from Mousumi is and what is her Upazila, or is he a women of the city in Khulna? So where from she is? Can we know? Can we be informed about something?
Yeah, of course. Actually, first of all, I'd like to say something. Cricketer Ruman Ahmed,
Yeah,
Ruman
fine,
is
yeah.
the most famous female cricketer. He is the prominent Bangladeshi female cricketer. He plays cricket international cricket for Bangladesh females national cricket team. He is a right-handed batsman and big bowler. After that, he is the he is the first hat trick in Bangladesh Women's Cricketer League. After that, actress Mousumi. Actress Mousumi is born in Khulna district in 1973. Actually, her first film is Resurrection to Resurrection. Its Bangla meaning is Kiamot Theke Kiamot. He won 3 national film
cinema of her. Yeah, right.
Yes.
With Salman Shah.
And
so we cannot say about Mousumi anything more because she is one of the greatest heroine in Bangladesh history. Now, still she is heroine and she is an evergreen heroine of Khulna district. So there are a lot of persons from
Yeah,
Khulna. Yeah,
and without Poppy Achol and so on. Other
yeah,
person.
yeah,
Actually,
yeah, of
and
course.
Bangla district has many scientists and Prafullo Chandra Rai, he was a Bengali chemist. Kazi Imdadul Haq, he was a educator as well as a writer. And Prafullo K. Ali, he was a historian, and Dr. Ainun Nishat, he was a water scientist. Then Begum Munjan, she is a she is a state minister, Ministry of Labor and Employment. And Abdul Razzaq, he was a prominent speaker of Bangladesh Jatiyo সংসদ. And
Yeah.
Salahuddin Yusuf, he was
So
a
we have
health
understood
minister.
that there are a lot of person, there are a lot of prominent person and women from Khulna, and so Khulna district is really great district known as in Bangladesh. So thank you very much. This is the end of this video. Thanks a lot, Alamin Hussain, for you have given a lot of times. Like, this is a very valuable moment because the people are watching from inside of Bangladesh and also outside of Bangladesh, from Kolkata here and there also. So thank you very much for your time and for your useful information about your Khulna district of Bangladesh. And thank you, LTC, all audiences. You have watched this video with your passions. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel and try to share these videos to everywhere so that people can learn something from this video, and thumb a like and also comment which kind of video do you want to watch. Thank you, Alamin Hussain. Thank you, the audience of the LTC channel. Allah Hafiz.
You're most welcome.